Hello guys, today I am showing how to fix AMD RX 5000 series memory stock problem. Firstly open a browser and search Google CRU and open monitortests.com and download CRU and extract a folder and open CRU. Select 14.4 Hz and select automatic LCD standard and refresh rate 14.2, edit 14.2 and OK and open CRU again and go extensions blocks, edit FreeSync range 14.2 Hz, OK and then open restart 64, this restart driver, GPU drivers, and open Windows settings, advanced settings, select refresh rate 14.2 Hz